today I'm showing you how to build my Lego safe. So you need a 6x6 flatboard, then put tiles over here. Then put a wall. We'll make 3 bricks high walls like this. Then make a tray, 2 bricks high, 5x4, 4x5 I meant. Then put tiles around it. Then get 2 2x6, put them at the sides, just like this. Wait. Then get 2 1x2s, put them over there. Then get a 1x2 brick with like this piece and this piece, and with a hole, you're gonna put it there. Get another one of those, but not in there. There we go. Then get a 2x6, put it at the left. Get a 2x3, put it there. 2x thingy bricks. 2x4 bricks there. Then 1x4 brick there. Then you will need 1x6 tiles. Put them like this way. Then you will need to take a 2x4. There we go. Then get 2 2x2s. Put them over here. Then you will need a 1x2, a 1x1, but I didn't feel like going for it, so yeah. Then just put the top on. Then the key will be this piece. Wait, this is the piece for the key. So yeah, right now it is locked. So you need to take the key, put it into that hole, turn to the right, then it's unlocked. Oops, sorry about that. Then you put something inside. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Bye.